My brother!
You know, I wonder if we could just get a hold of it and just pull on it.
I think that's probably wrapped.
Is it wrapped?
I think what they did is they dropped their anchor.
Oh.
And then it swept them right in. And they
tried to stop before they hit it.
They doubly fucked themselves.
Yeah. Try to say fuck on video a couple more times if you can. Alright, well we got a foot in the boat.
We got a man in the boat!
Man in the boat! Chris is the little man, the man in the boat.
He's the little man in the boat.
Little man in the boat. Boy, don't go for a ride, Chris. Shit, I knew it. I knew it. Shit. There it goes. Get him up, get him up, get him up, get him up, get him up. Alright. Boat's free, we're gonna go build a fire, dry Chris out. Everybody's safe, little wet, little cold. Gonna go help this out. Video over.